hair artist from Grand Rapids, Michigan. Today we're going to be doing a short tutorial on Hairology's glossy wigs. I would like to demonstrate that today with you using a few of our key products. But first and foremost, I want to show you our wonderful model to show you what the after look of glossy wigs are. So this is our wonderful mannequin here. As you can see, it's a nice beachy wig, lots of volume and fullness through the hair, and it has a lot of shine. So this is the look we're going to achieve today. With that being said, there's a few tools that you need, and that's going to be 2 brushes. You're going to need a small Denman brush, and you're going to need a CMVO 1-inch round brush today. Along with that, you're going to need a 1-inch Marcel curling iron, and a blow dryer with a nice nozzle that has the control for high to low. So first things first, what I did with my mannequin today is I shampooed and conditioner with our Smooth Perfection shampoo and conditioner. I towel dried her hair. I applied Hairology's root lift all over the roots of the hair. This is what's going to create the lift and the volume in the hair. Along with that, I used our Smooth Perfection lightweight blow dry lotion, and I applied that to mid-shaft to ends. This is what's going to control the frizz and make the nice lightweight smoothing feel to the hair. Then to finish up today, I'm just going to use our Strengthening Control Hairspray, one of my personal favorites. So let's get started. So first things first, I put her off into 3 sections as you see here. The first thing I'm going to do is pick up my Denman brush. I'm going to use the first 2 teeth of the Denman brush here. That's what's going to wrap the hair at the roots to lift out. All the way around in the first section. And we'll continue to do that through the second and third. Not only with the Denman brush, you're also going to be using your blow dryer. So as you lift the hair up, you're going to attach the blow dryer and follow it along. Okay? So if you want, come on up a little bit closer, and I'm going to show you how to demonstrate that. Putting my heat at low, and we're going to do the roots first. Again, using the 2 teeth of my Denman brush, and just lifting and pulling it up. Lift and pull. Very easy, very lightweight. And you can switch to the other side, as you can see here, and lift and pull out. So what you're doing is drying the roots and giving the lift, using nice tight firm grasp on the brush and lifting it up, as you can see there. Drying it out all the way around. I'm going to switch over to the other side, as you can see here. Lifting and grasping. So once that's done, you can see here, we're already starting to get it smooth and lifted using the root lift. That's what's helping enhance that. So now what we're going to do is pick up our CMVO 1-inch round brush. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to start on the opposite side. Switch sides here. And what you're going to do is measure the hair into 4 sections in this section. You're going to measure it with your round brush. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let's take our first section. Taking the first section here, you're actually going to over-direct the hair forward with rolling the hair back away from the face. So again, as I said that, I'm going to take the brush, low heat, pull it all the way forward. Now you see where my blow dry is on the direction of that. Take it again. This is an easy way. You only have to do 2 swipes through the hair. Roll it up. Get those ends in there. You see how nice and tight my grasp is? Heating this up, rolling it out, keeping the tension on both sides. Rolling it back in. Letting that set for a moment because this is a nice heating tool. And then I'm going to roll the brush out and finish with a nice smooth finish